Session 1 we have answer any 6 questions. So each question carry 2 marks. The first question is, if A is 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is 2, 4, 5, 9 and C is 1, 2 and C is 1, 2, 4, 6, then verify the given distributive property in a set. So here we prove LHS. LHS is A union B intersection C. First we'll prove LHS. So now to prove LHS, first we need to find the bracket. What is in the bracket? B intersection C. So intersection is nothing but common. What is common in B and C? The common element in B and C is 2 and 4. So here it will be 2 comma 4. So intersection is nothing but common element. Then we need to find A union of B intersection C. A means it is 1, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Union of 2 comma 4. Union is writing all the elements together. If it is repeated, you will write it only one time. That is 1, 1. 2 is repeated, so I'll write only one time. Then 4, 4 is also repeated, I'll write one time. Then 6 and then 8. So here union means writing the elements together. And intersection is intersection is selecting the common elements. Here it is union. Union is writing together. Intersection is common elements. So yeah, we found the first LHS. Now we'll move on to RHS. RHS we have A union B intersection of A union C. So we'll be solving the bracket first and then we will solve the intersection together. That is A union B. A union B is writing all the elements of A and B together. That is 1, 2 is repeated. So we'll write it only one time. Then it is 4. Then it is 6. Then it is 8 and then it is 9. We'll write all the elements which are there in A and B. A 1 and 2. Then it is 4. Then it is 5. We have even 5. Then 5. Then it is 6. Then it is 8 and then it is 9. So we have written all the elements which are present in A and B. Now similarly we'll find for A union C. A 1, we have 1, then 2, 2, then we have 4, 4, then we have 6, 6 and then it is left out as 8. So this is A union B and B union A. Now we need to find the intersection between these two. What is meant by intersection? Intersection is selecting of common elements. So A union B intersection of A union C is selecting the common elements present in this both. So we have 1 which is common, then we have 2 which is common, then we have 4 which is common, then we have 6 which is common, then we have 8 which is common. So yeah, this is your second answer. So you can see from 1 and 2, LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore, A union B intersection C is equals to A union B intersection A union C is proved. So now moving with the second question, write the truth table for the given for the conjunction. What is mean by conjunction? So conjunction is nothing but it is and. It is also called as and it is denoted as cap. So here and is nothing but if it is if the both proposition is true, the value will be true, else the value will be false. So here it is P, Q, P, P and Q. So yeah, first we will write T, T, F, F, T, F, T, F. If you have two prepositions, it will be 2 to the power of 2. That will be 4. We have 4 outputs. So yeah, I said you the condition. What is the condition here? If it is T and T, the answer is T. If not, it will be false. That is F. Then moving with the next question, we have among the students in the hostel, 20 students study mathematics. A. 12 students study physics. B. 18 students study chemistry. And 20 students study biology. So we'll take care. They've given maths is A, physics is B, chemistry is C, biology is D. So we'll write let A be the student who studies mathematics, B be the student who studies physics, C be the student who studies chemistry, D be the student who studies biology. So now we'll write what are their values they've given. A is 20, then B is 12, then C is 8, then D is 20. So yeah, now next they have given they are how many? Next continue. Continuation of it is what? They have given here. Next one is they are 7 students for A and B. A and B means intersection, and means intersection. A and B, they are 7 students. Then B and C, they are 5. Sorry, A and C, they are 5. Then A and D, they are 16. A and D, they are 16. Then B and C, they are 4. And B and D, it is 34. Here, this value which is given is wrong. I'll just show you the method how to solve. They may give you some other numbers also. But here the problem in this problem 34 which is given is value is wrong here. Okay, so the problem how to solve this type of problem I'm explaining it. You can solve whichever number they give you, you can solve that by using the method what I'm teaching you. Then c and d c and d is 4, and there are 3 students for a b and c. A, B and C, they are 3 students. Then A, B, D, they are 2. A, B, D, they are 2. Then B, C, D, they are 2. B, C, D, they are 2. Then C, A, C, D, A, C, D, they are 3. Then finally there are 2 students who study all the subjects. So all the subjects means A union, B intersection, B intersection, C intersection, D will be 2 students. Now further 72 students do not study anything means A union B union C dash is 70. They're asking you to find the number of students in the hostel. They're asking you to find the number of students in the hostel. So yeah, we need to find the number of students in the hostel. So yeah, the values they have given, and we need to find the solution for the given problem. So yeah, by using by using the principle of inclusive inclusion and inclusion or exclusion exclusion for 4 set we have, that is formula we have is A union B union C union D will be, first you'll write all elements separately, all the sets separately. Then you'll take two elements in cyclic order. A intersection B, it will be negative. Two elements will be negative. B and C, C and D, then D and A. Then you'll take three elements. You'll take three elements. It will be plus. Three elements will be plus. That will be A intersection B intersection C plus BCD, B intersection C intersection D, then plus C intersection D intersection A, then we have ABC, ABD, then we have plus A intersection B intersection D. B intersection D. A intersection B intersection D. So then minus, we should take all 4 elements. A intersection B intersection C intersection D. When they are even set, it is negative. When they are odd, they are positive. So substituting the values, what we got, we have 20 plus 12 plus 8 plus 20 minus 7 minus 5 minus 16 minus 4 minus 4, then it is, here we have A intersection B, B intersection A, B intersection C, then here we have left A intersection B, B intersection C, C intersection D, then I have left here, it is again A intersection C and B intersection D, we get B intersection D, we have 6 elements here, so it is 6. So yeah, minus 34 minus 34 minus 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6, we get 6. Then plus, it is 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3, and then it is minus 2. So now if you simplify this part, you get this, adding them we get 60, 20 40 60 minus, if you add this we get 72, then if you add this we get 10 plus 10, then minus 2. So it will be 70 minus 70 minus 72, 74. It will be minus 4, which is not possible to be. minus 4. Therefore, the problem here, it is given a statement is wrong. So this is the method how you will solve if they give you this type of question. Okay. Next question you have, find the adjoint of the matrix A. So how to find the adjoint? A is minus 2, 1, minus 6 and 5. To find the adjoint of A, it's very simple for 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows and 2 columns. What we need to do is, we should interchange the elements in the principal diagonal, that will leave 5 and minus 2. Then we need to change the sign in the diagonal. Change the sign. Here we should change the sign, and here we should change the number. Interchange the numbers. Inter. Here we'll change a interchange numbers. It will give you adjoint of matrix C. So here we are interchanging the sign. Certainly negative will become positive, positive will become negative. So this is your adjoint of A. Now moving with the next question, find the number of arrangement of the letter word ASM. So you have how many letters? A, S, S, A, M. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they are total 5 letters in Assam, and then 2 is repeated. A's are repeated 2 times. So it will be 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Then S is 2 times. S is 2 times. So we will divide it by 2 factorial. That will be 5 into 4 into factorial means writing in reverse order into 2 factorial, because I have into factorial, stop till 2 factorial. Then 2 into 1 into 2 factorial. 2 factorial cancel. We get 2 ones are 2 twos are. So it will be 5 into 2 into 3. 5 twos are 10 into 3 is 30. So we can arrange this Assam in 30 different ways. Moving to the next question, we have find the value of n where nc3 is equals to nc4. So here nc3 equals nc4. We have a formula where we say ncr will be equal to ncn minus r. We'll change this formula in this form. So we get nc3 will be ncn minus r, means it is 4 minus r. So it's n minus 4. N minus r is 4. So it is n minus 4. So now comparing both the sides, we get 3 is equals to n minus 4. So n minus 4 equals 3. So n will be 3. Minus goes at the side, become plus. It will become 4. So it will be n is equals to 4 plus 3 is 7. So n is equals to 7 will be the solution. So now next one, they give recurrence relation for the Tower of Hanoi problem. The recurrent relation of Tower of Hanoi problem is given as Tn is equals to 2 times of T into n minus 1 plus 1. What is Tn? Tn is the minimum number of moves required to transfer n disk from one peg to another using the intermediate peg. Then what is Tn minus 1? It represents the number of moves required to transfer n minus 1 disk. So this is the recurrence relation for Tower of Hanoi problem. Then moving with the next one, define the order and the size of the graph with an example. The order of a graph refer to the number of vertices nodes in the graph. The size of the graph refer to the number of edges in the graph. For example, if I take any graph, if I take any of the graph, for suppose for example, if I take, there is a graph A, B, C, D. Now I need to find order of the graph. What is the order of the graph? It is number of vertices. So how many vertices I have? A, B, C and D. So the order is how much? It is A, comma B, comma C, comma D. Number of vertices means there are 4. So the order of A is 4. Then it is next is given as size. What is size? Size is referred to the number of edges. So how many edges we have? Size is nothing but number of edges. Size is number of edges. So how many edges do we have here? It is A to B, then B to C, then C to D, then we have D to A. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So size of A will be 4. Next one, second, to make form any answer any 4 session B, it contains a 6 mark. Each question is of 6 marks. So here first they've given write the converse, inverse and contrapositive of the given statement. So first let me write the statement into two prepositions. So here if two triangles are similar means two triangles are similar. Then second statement is they are congruent. They are congruent. So we need to find the converse, inverse and contrapositive. First one, it is converse. Converse is nothing but Q implies P. Implies means if then. If then. We should use if then if it implies is given. Implies means this arrow mark. So yeah, we will write if Q. If there are congruent, if they are congruent, then two triangles then two triangles are similar. Then second next one is inverse. What is inverse? Inverse is negation P implies negation Q. Negation means it is not. Whenever it is negation, we should use not. So yeah, negation P means if two triangles are not similar, then they are not congruent. They are not congruent. Next one is we have contrapositive. What is contrapositive? Reverse of inverse. Negation Q implies negation P. So if they are not congruent, then the two triangles are not similar. So next question is prove the tautology for the given proposition. So that is P, Q, then it is negation P, then P or negation Q, then it is negation of P or negation Q, and then it is negation P or negation Q implies P. So yeah, first you should write down the headings what we have. So we need a 4 values. So now T, T, F, F, T, F, T, F. Negation of P is F, F, T, T. Now we should find OR for P or negation q. So we'll be finding for p or negation q. That will be p or negation q. P or negation q it is. Okay. We'll find it for negation q also. So let me take this for negation q, not for p. I'll take it for negation q. It is negation q. So negation q means f t f t. Now p and negation q means first and third. Now or means if it is f and f, it is f. Otherwise, it is true. Only when f is there, f it is true false. Otherwise, it is true. Now negation of this statement, what we have written. Negation means reversing. So we have reverse f. T is f. T is f. F is t. T is f. Now we need to find the answer for this and p in reverse order, because negation p or negation q is in the first, so we'll check in the reverse order. That is for implication. Implication is what? Or means if it is f and f, it is f, otherwise it is true. Then implies means if it is t and f, it is f, otherwise all it is true. Okay, so we'll check here. F and t, f and t is t. Then f and t, it is again t. T and f, it is f. F and f, it is f. Only when it is t and f, it is f. Remaining all it is false. True. F and f, it is t. F and f, it is t. Only the condition here, t and f, it is f. Otherwise, it is true. So yeah, it is not a tautology. It is not a tautology. Why it is not a tautology? Because all the elements are not t. If all the elements are not t, it is not a tautology. Okay. So we need to find all the answers in the prepositional table should be true. If these statements are not true, then it is not a tautology. Then moving on with the next one, it is given here. If f is r to r is defined as f of x is equals to 3x minus the function is given here is 3x minus 2. Show that mapping is a bijective mapping. What is mean by bijective? Function is said to be bijective if it is both injective 1 1 and surjective on 2. If it is both 1 1 and on 2, it is called as bijective. So we'll prove it for 1 1 and on 2. So now 1 1. To prove 1 1, let x1 comma x2 belongs to R. Function R, then f of x1 will be equal to f of x2. That is 3x minus 2 function value equals 3x minus 2. So here it is 1 and here it is 2. What happens then? This 2 and 2 get cancelled. So we get 3x1 equals 3x2. 3 and 3 cancel, we get x1 equals x2, which implies it is 1 1. Then we need to find for onto. How to find for onto? For onto, if for all we can write if for all x belongs to R, there exist y belongs to R. For all y belongs to R, such that f of x is equals to y. So now if for all x belongs to R, there exists for all y belongs to R, such that there exists f of x is equals to y. Now what is f of x value? It is 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2 is equals to 5. So 3x is equals to y minus will go other side become plus 2. So 3x is equals to y plus 2. Then x will be y plus 2 divided by 3. Therefore it is onto. The function is onto. Now if the function is both 1 1 and onto, what it is? If the function is both 1 1 and onto, it is bijective. Therefore f is both 1 1 and onto, it is bijective. It is bijective. Okay. The next question is, how many ways the letter word Masasaga be arranged so that all A's are together? So yeah, all A's are together means we have how many A's? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 A's. So we'll write all 4 A's together. Then the left out is M, S, 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 U, G. So yeah, if you count, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are total 7 letters. So it is 7 factorial divided by SR 3 times. So it will be SR 3 times repeated. So it will be 3 factorial. That will be 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial. 3 factorial and 3 factorial cancel. 6 sevens are 42. 4 fives are 20. So it will be 0, 4, 0, 4. 4 twos are 8. It will be 840. Now we need to take this separately. The one which is we have written it together. We have to find the now total number of ways for all A's together. So we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 letters, and 4 are repeated. 4 A's are repeated 4 times. So it should be divided by 4 factorial. So the answer will be 1. Therefore, total 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 number of ways equals 840 into 1. That will be 840 ways. Now moving with the next question, we have 12. Question number 12. Find the number of ways. We select 9 balls. Total we have to select 9 balls, in which 6 balls are red. So we have 6 balls are red, 5 balls are white. So 5 white balls and 5 blue balls are there. So here the first condition is each selection consists 3 balls of each color. So we have to get 3 balls of each color. So here this will be written as, this is the value of n and this is the value of r. So we have to write NCR, that will be 6C3 into, next one is 5C3 into 5C3. We need to find the values for this and we have to substitute here. So we do this 6C3 will be 6 into 5 into 4. If you have 3 here, we should write 3 reverse number in the numerator, divided by 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. The denominator, that is down one, will be 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 twos are 6 and 6 cancel. 5 fours are 20. So the first one is 20, then into, then it is into, next one is 5c3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. This 3 into 2 into 1 will get cancelled. 5 fours are, it is 20 again. Then yeah, 1 second. Here, 1 minute. Here we need to write 3 terms. Here also we need to write only 3 terms, not 5 terms. So it is 5 into 3 into 4 into 3 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 and 3 cancel. 2 one time, 2 two times. So it will be 5 twos are 10. So the next value will be 10 into 10 into, now again it is 5c3. It is same, again it is 10. So it is totally how much? 20 into 10 into 10 will be 2000. So uh, total number of ways of arranging 3 balls of each color will be 200 ways. Sorry, 2000 ways. Then moving with the next one, if the selection consists 4 red balls, the next one is we have 4 red balls, 2 white balls, and 3 blue balls. Now it will be what? It will be 6c4 into 5c2 into 5c3. Now again you need to find the values of this. That will be 6c4 is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. 4 terms you should write. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 3 4 3 cancel. 2 one time, 2 threes are. So 3 fives are 15. So the first value will be 15 into 5c2 we didn't do. So yeah, 5c2 will be 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1. 2 elements you should write it in reverse. 5 into 2, then 2 factorial. 2 into 1. So 2 ones are 2 twos are, it is 10. So into 10. Then 5c3 we have already found, it is 10. So it will be how much? 1500. So there are 500 ways. So yeah, moving with the next question. We have find the coefficient of x square and y3 in the expansion. So here we know the general solution, the general formula for binomial binomial expansion. Binomial expansion is TR plus 1 equals NCR A n minus R BR. So now they have given in the question, if you compare a plus b to the power of n with 2x plus 3y to the power of 5, then we can write a equals 2x, b equals 3y, and n is equals to 5. Now substituting these values in equation 1, we get t r plus 1 equals 5cr, then a is 2x n minus r, then b is 5 minus r, then b is 3y to the power of r. Now we compare the values of the coefficient what they are asking for, that is x to y cube. If you compare for y value, that is y with 3yr, so yr with 3 y cube is equals to yr, means r value is 3. So substitute the value of r here, we get t 3 plus 1 equals 5c3 into 2x into 5 minus 3 into 3y cube. So now if you solve this, we get that will be T4 will be 5c3 is 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 into 2 power 5 minus 3 is 2, so 2 square into x square and into 3 cube into 5 y cube. So now writing all the values, we get 3 and 3 cancel, 2 ones are 2, 2s are, so 5 2s are 10 into 2 square is 4 into 3 cube, 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 3 is 27, x square and y cube. So when you multiply 40 into 27, when we multiply 40 into 27, x square y cube, we get 1080 x square y cube. Therefore the coefficient of x square y cube is 1080. Then here draw complete graph for k5. K5 means 5 points, 1 2 3 and 4 and 5 points. So if you take 5 points, and connect them, and this is how you draw the k5. I'll do it again for you. That is, take 5 points, okay, connect them, then connect each point with the other one. This is how you draw for k5. And complete bipartition graph for 3 comma 3 means it is 3 set of 3 knots, pair of set of 3 knots, and then they're connecting with each other. Then this is how you get the partition graph for k 3 comma 3. Then moving with the next question, we have Cramer's rule. So to find Cramer rule, first we need. So here our next question is solved by using Cramer's rule. So to solve Cramer's rule, first we need to find the value of a determinant matrix of a. What is matrix of a here? It is 1 3 2 minus 1, values what we have here, minus 1 4 minus 1, nothing is there means 1 minus 1, then it is 2 minus 5, it's minus 5, and then 3. Then matrix B will be the solutions what we have, 1 7 minus 5 and 12, 7 minus 5 and 12. So first step to find the Cramer rule is to find the determinant of A. So that will be determinant of A, that will be 1 minus 1 2, 3 4 minus 5, 2 minus 1 and 3. So now we take plus minus plus. So you will be writing first row first element, we will consider first row and first element. That row and column will be neglected. So it will be plus 1 will be 4 minus 5 minus 1 and 3. Then second one you take, if you take second one, it is minus of minus 1 will be my plus 1 plus 1, that row and that column if you leave, we get 3 minus 5 2 and 3. Then the last one, if you select the last element of the first row, it will be plus 2. If you leave that row and column, we get 3 4 2 minus 1. So simplifying this part, we get plus 1 into cross multiplication you should do, 4 3s are 12 minus minus into minus will become plus, 5 1s are 5, then plus 1, then cross multiply again, 3 3s are 9, minus of minus become plus, 5 2s are it is 10, then plus 2, then it will be 1 3s are 3, it will be minus 3, minus 4 2s are 8, it will be minus 8. So here it is plus 1, it will be plus 7, plus 1, 9 plus is 19, plus 19, then it will be plus 2, 8 plus 3 is minus 11. So we get plus 7 plus 119s are 19 minus 22. So we get 19 26, 26 minus 22 will be nothing but 4. So determinant of A is 4. Then we need to find the delta x. What is delta x? Delta x is nothing but the first line what we have, we should write it the solution what we got, that will be 7 minus 5 and 12, The remaining both will be same as what we have in the question, that is minus 1, 4, minus 1, 2, minus 5 and 3. Only the first line, we have first column we need to change. Then simplify the same thing as we have done the previous one. It is first row and first column, first row and first column you leave, you get plus 7 into 4 minus 5 minus 1 and 3. Then if you take it for second one, that row and that column, that will be minus into minus will become plus 1, that will be minus 5 minus 5, 12 and 3. Then if you take the last one, we get plus 2, plus 2 will be plus 2 will be minus 5, 4, 12 and minus 1. So now if you simplify this, we get plus 7, 7, 4 2s, 4 3s are 12, minus of minus will become plus, 5 1s are 5, plus 1 into 3 5s are 15, that will be minus 15, minus 15 plus 12 5s are 60, minus into minus become plus, then plus 2 into minus into minus is plus, 5 ones are 5, minus 12 into 4 is 48. So when you simplify this part, we get 7 into 7 plus 1 into 45 plus 2 into 43. So if you simplify, it is 49 plus 45 minus 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So here we have 49 plus 45 is 419, 95, 94 minus 86. So it will be 8. So the value will be 8. So this is your delta x. Same way we have to find delta y and delta z. So we'll find now delta y. What will be delta y? Delta y will be, you will keep the first element as it is, first column as it is. You will change the second column with the value what we have for b. That will be 7 minus 5 and 12. Then the third one is also same. That will be 2 minus 5 and 3. Simplify the same thing, plus minus plus. So we get here plus 1 into it will be this minus 5 minus 5, 12 and 3. Then minus into minus 7 into that row and that column you leave. So it will be 3 minus 5, 2 and 3. Then plus 2, last one. If you select the last one, it is that row and that column if you leave, you get 3 minus 5, 2 and 12. So if you simplify this, we get plus 1. We have to do the cross multiplication. 5 3s are 15, minus into minus plus, 6 of 12 5s are 60, minus 7, 3 3s are 9, minus into minus become plus, 5 2s are 10. Then plus 2 into 12 3s are 36, minus into minus plus 10. So it will be plus 1 45, minus 7 19, minus 7 19. Then it is plus 2 46. So yeah, 45 minus 133 plus 92. So it is, if you simplify this, we get 8. That is 92 plus 45 is 7 and 13, 133, sorry, 7, 10, 13, 133, 137, 45 plus 92. 2 3s are 12 to 8. 3 9s are 36, 3 1s are 3. It will be 4. It is 4. We get it as 33, it is 4. So it is 4 here. So delta y is 4. Then same way find it for delta z. Now delta z. Delta z is what? we have to retain the first two values as it is. That will be 1, 3 and 2, then minus 1, 4 and minus 1. So the last value will change to the value what we have, 7, 7 minus 5 and 12. So now find the same plus minus plus, that will be plus 1 into 4, first row if you take, so it will be 4 minus 5 minus 1 and 12, then minus into minus become plus 1. If you take plus 1, it will be that row and that column you leave, it will be 3 minus 5, 2 and 12. Then take the last one, it is plus 7, that will be plus 7, it will be 3, 4, 2 and minus 1. Now simplify this, we get plus 1 into cross multiply. 12 into 4 is 48, minus into minus plus into minus is minus into minus plus, and this minus as it is, 5 ones are 5, plus 1 into 12 into 3 is 36, minus into minus plus, 5 twos are 10, then plus 7, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, minus of 4 twos are 8. So here it is plus 1 into 43 plus 1 into 46 plus 7 into minus 11. Certainly 43 plus 46 minus 77. So 43 plus 46 is 9 and 8 minus 77 will be 2 and 1, that will be 12. So we found the values of x, delta x, delta y and delta z. Now final answer is x will be delta x by x, that will be delta x is 8 divided by 4, that will be 4 2 times. Then y will be delta y divided by delta. So delta y is here 4, 4 divided by 4 is 1. Then the last delta z, that is z. Z equals delta z divided by delta. Delta z is 12 divided by 4, it will be 3. So x is 2, y is 1 and z is 3. Hence we have found the solution. So now next one is, in the survey of 180 college students, the following data obtained. 46 students take English, 49 take history, 28 takes sociology, 18 takes both English and history, 16 take both English and sociology, 11 takes both in history and sociology, 8 has taken all the three. Determine how many students have taken none of these. So let E be the students taken English, H be the student taken history, S be the student taken sociology. So here they have given English is how much? So here uh, English E is 49, then H is 49, then S is 28, then English and history means E intersection H is 18, then English and sociology is 16, English and S is 16, then history and economy sociology H and S is 11, and all are E intersection H intersection S is 6, 8. So now they're asking you to find the first one. First one is, how many students take none of this? Number of students takes none of, taken none of this, none of these. For this, what you should do, none of this, first you have to find, we'll find E union H union S. Formula will be E plus H plus S minus E intersection H minus H intersection S minus S intersection H plus E intersection H intersection S. This formula for the particular that is inclusive and exclusive solution. Okay, so here the values are 49, 46. This is 46. 46 plus 49 plus 28, that is minus 18, minus that is E intersection H, both E intersection H, E intersection S, E intersection S, E H, H S, S E. So it is 18, 18, E intersection H, H intersection S, H intersection S, then S intersection, the second one is intersection S. So here it will be 18 minus social English and history 18, then English and sociology 16, history and sociology 11. So it will be 1 minute. So here we have the values. Minus 16 minus 11, it will be plus 8. E intersection H, H intersection S, S intersection E. Okay, so yeah, the values are here. If you simplify this, add this 3, we get 131, minus if you add this, we get add this, we get 131. If you add this negative values, we get 45. When you subtract 131 minus 45, we get answer as 86. So now we need to find none of the student taken the subject. So it will be E union H union S dash will be E in U minus E union H union S. Now U is given as 180. So yeah, it will be 180 minus the answer what we got 86. That will equal to 94. So how many students take none of this? 84 students takes none of this. So then next one is they are taking the second question as the sub question is. The second sub question as is how many had taken only history. So number of students student taken only history will be formula is H dash will be equal to H minus H intersection E minus plus H intersection S minus E intersection H intersection S. So yeah, this value is 49 minus, so here it is 18 plus 11 minus 8. So if you simplify, get 49 minus 21, that will be 28. So number of students taken only history is 28 students. So hence it is solved. The next question is section C. It carries 8 marks and we have to answer any 3. So here the first question is, it is divided into sub questions. So the first question is, determine the relation a is 1 2 3 till 14 defined by the function x comma y, where x is equals to 2y, is an equivalent relation. What is equivalent relation? If a relation is reflexive, symmetric, transitive, then it is called as equivalent relation. Okay. So now they've given R, that is the equation is x is equals to 2y implies y equals x by 2. So now substituting the value of x, if x is, I'll take the multiple of 2. If x is 2, y will be 1. 2 by 2, it will be 1. If x is 4, it will be, y will be 4 by 2, it will be 2. If x is 6, y will be 6 by 2, it will be 3. If x is 8, it will be, y will be 8 by 2, it is 4. Then if x is 10, it will be, y will be 10 by 2, it is 5. Then if x is 12, y will be 12 by 2, it is 6. Then x is 14, then y will be 14 by 2, it is 7. So now the relation given is, we got the relation R as x comma 2 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 8 comma 4, 10 comma 5, 12 comma 6, 14 comma 7. So yeah, by seeing this, we have to prove reflexive. What is reflexive? Reflexive is nothing but we should have the same elements in x and y place. We don't have. We can take 1 comma 1 do not belongs to R, therefore it is not reflexive. Then it is symmetric. What is symmetric? Symmetric means it should be reverse. That is, if I take 2 comma 1 belongs to R, I should have 1 comma 2 also should be there in R, but here we don't have. Therefore not it is not symmetric. Then the last transitive. Transitive. It is you can take 1 comma 4 comma 2, and then you should start with the 4 comma 2 belongs to R implies, that is 2 comma 1 belongs to R, means first and last element also should be there. 4 comma 1 should belongs to R, but here it is not belonging, therefore it is not transitive. Since it is not reflexive, neither symmetric nor transitive, what we can say, therefore the given relation is not equivalent relation. Why it is not equivalent? Because it is not satisfying equivalence relation. It is not satisfying reflexive, symmetric and transitive property. So the next question here is, if the function f and g is given, defined by f of x is equals to 3x plus 4 and g of x is equals to 2x plus 1. They are asking you to find the fog and gof. So what will be fog and what will be gof? So we'll do it for fog. Fog of x will be f of means bracket g of x. So what is the value of g of x? It is 2x plus 1. So yeah, whatever you got 2x plus 1, that we should write it in the place of x in this formula. So that will be 3 into x is what? X is 2x plus 1, then this plus 4 as it is. So it will become 3 2s are 6x plus 3 1s are 3 plus 4. We are just multiplying. Okay, that will be 6x plus 7. So fog of x will be 6x plus 7. Now you need to find for GOF. GOF of x. That will be G of f of x. Now what is the value of f of x? It is 3x plus 4. Now whatever we got in the place of x, we got it in x, we should write it in the formula of g of x. That will be 2. The value of x is 3x plus 4. Then it is this plus 1 as it is. Now simplify, we get 2 into 3 is 6x, 2 into 4 is 8 plus 1. So it will be 6x plus 9. That will be your graph of x. Now moving with the next question, we have find the coefficient of x square y power 4 in the expansion. So we know the general form. The general form of binomial expansion is TR plus 1 equals NCR A n minus R B R. So now you are comparing a plus b power n equals 2x plus 3y power 6, means gives you a is equals to 2x, b is equals to 3y, and n is equals to 6. Substituting the values in equation 1, we get T r plus 1 as it is 6cr, a is 2x, 6 minus r, and b is 3y into r. Now comparing the coefficient with the r terms, we get x square y4 is equals to 3yr. So here yr will be comparing y with y, we get 4 is equals to r, so r value will be 4. Now substitute the value here, we get t 4 plus 1 is equals to 6c4, 2x power 6 minus 4, then 3y power 4. So if you simplify this, we get T5 will be 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 and 3 cancel, 5 through 1s are 2, 3s are, then it is 2 power 6 minus 4 is 2, x power 2, then 3 power 4 into y power 4. That will be T5 will be 3 5s are 15 into 2 2s are 4 into 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 9 is 81, is x square and y power 4. So when you multiply all these values, we get 4860. So what is the coefficient of x square y4 is 4860. Then moving on with the next question, we have find the AB transpose. Find the AB transpose is equals to B transpose A transpose. So here to find transpose, first we'll find LHS. LHS is A into B. First you should find A into B. That will be 132, 102 into 162. The multiplication of matrix is only possible when number of rows in the first matrix should be equal to number of columns in the second matrix. So here number of rows should be equal to number of columns in the second matrix. So here first row, first column. So we get 1 1s are 1 plus 3 6 are 18 plus 2 2s are 4. Then second row, first column, we get 1 1s are 1 plus 0 plus 2 2s are 4. So here the answer will be 18, 19, 20, 23, and here it is 5. So we get AB is equals to 23 and 5. Then AB dash whole dash will be 23 5. Changing row column to row. So call this as 1. Then second side we have B dash. What will be B dash? B dash will be 162. Then what will be A dash? A dash will be 132, 102. Now multiply B dash and A dash. We get B dash is 162 multiplied with 132, 102. So now first row, first column. So it will be 1 1s are 1 plus 6 3s are 18 plus 2 2s are 4. Then first row, second column. 1 1s are 1 plus 0 plus 4. So yeah, if you simplify, you get 23 and 5. That is your second side. From 1 and 2, we can prove that AB transpose equals B transpose A transpose. Then moving with the next question, we have a committee of 9 should be formed. A committee of 9 should be formed. Boys, they've given boys. Boys are 7 and girls are 5. We need to find the committee of. आवाज करो नको. 12th problem. A committee of 9 has to be formed from the 7 boys and 5 girls. We have 7 boys and 5 girls. In how many ways can this be done when the committee consists of? So they have given some conditions here. So the first condition is we should have at least 3 boys. If it is 3 boys, total committee members should be 9. So if 3 boys are there, it should be 6 girls to form a 9-member committee. So here there is no possibility of taking 9 girls because we have only 5. Therefore, it is not positive, impossible to find the committee with at least with exactly 3 boys. Then moving on with the next one, at least 3 boys means we should have minimum 3 boys. So it can be minimum 3 boys is we can have it as 3. It should be 3, 4, 5, 6, and we can have 7. So here it is. We can have minimum 3. It can go till 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So if it is 3, we should have 6 boys. If it is 4, it should be 5. If it is 5, it should be 4. If it is 6, it should be 3. If it is 7, it should be 2. So here the first one is impossible. We cannot find it. It is impossible to find the committee for 3 boys and 6 girls. We can do it for the next one. That is, we have NCR, that is 3C4 into 6C5. 6C5. Then you have 3C5. 3C5 into one second. Sorry, it's here not 3, it is for 7. Total is 7, not 3. 1 minute. So here it is committee should be made. It is 6 and here it is 5. So here total number is 7. 7 and 3. That will be 7C4 into 5C5. 5C5. Then it is 7C5. 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 7C5 into 5C4. Then it is 7C6 into 5C3. Then it is 7 into 5C2. We will simplify this part. So here we get 7C4 is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So here this will 4 and 4 get cancelled. 3 2s are 6. 6 cancel, it will be 35. Then the second one is 5C5, that will be 1. We have a formula NCN is 1. So here it is 1. So here first one you get 35 into 1 is 35. Then second one we have 7C5. 7C5 means 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. We should write 5 numbers in reverse divided by 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 factorial of 5. Certainly this 3 get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 3s are 6. 7 3s are 21. So we get 21. Then it is 5C4. 5C4 is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this get cancelled, it is 5. So you get 21 into 5 is 5, 5 2s are 10, 1 not 5. Then we can go for the next one. It is 7C6, 766. 7C6 is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. So it is 6 divided by 6 factorial. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. So this will get cancelled. We get the value as 7. Then it is 5C3, it is 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 3 into 2 into 1, then 3 and 3 cancel, 2 ones are 2 twos are, it will be 10. So it will be 7 into 10 is 70. Then you have next one is 7C7. 7C7 is 1. It is 1 into 5C2. 5C2 means 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2 twos are, it will be 10. So it will be 7 into 10 is equals to 10. So if you add these values, all these numbers if you add, we get 105 plus 35 plus 70 plus 10. So it will be 10, 11, 12, 2, 1, it will be 220. So the possibility of finding, the possibility of getting at least 3 boys committee is 220 committees can be formed. Okay, then next one, at least, at most 3 means maximum should be 3. So here it can be 0, 1, 2 and 3. 0 means we should get 9, 8, 7 and 6. When we add this both, we should get total as 9. So here 9 we don't have here, we don't have 8 girls, we don't have 7 girls and we don't have 6. Therefore this is not possible to find the committee. So it is impossible to find the committee of at least at most 3 boys. Okay, so yeah, moving with the next question, we have define the degree of the vertex of a graph. Verify the handshaking property for the following graph. So here, what is the degree of a graph? A degree of a vertex of a graph is simple the count of edges connected to it. So we have to count how many edges are connected to it. That will give you the degree of the graph. Okay. Then you have handshaking lemma. What is handshaking lemma? It says that the sum of the degrees of all vertices will be equal to 2 times of the number of edges. So here it is given as, it is denoted as summation of V belongs to capital V, degree of vertex will be equal to 2 times of the edges. So here we have to find the summation of the degree. So let us start finding the summation of the degree. So we have how many vertex? We have V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V5, V6 and V7. So here we will find what are the degrees for the given vertexes. So here I'll take the first vertex. So here I have 1 and this will be counted as 2. Loop, self loop will be counted as 2. Self loop will be counted as 2. So it will be 2 plus 1, the first one will be 3. Then second one will be, second is 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 lines connected to it. Then 3 is 1 and 2, so it is 2. Then fourth one is 1 and 2, so fourth one we have 2. Then fifth one is only 1, 5 is only 1. Then sixth one we have is here 1 and 2, sixth is also 2. Then seventh one is 1, 2. It is seventh also is 2. So when you add all this, we get 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 16. So we get total is 16. Total summation of degree is 16. Then 2 into vertex edges. How many edges do we have? We have to count the number of edges now. So we will just count how many edges they have given here. So they have specified here. Edges are how many? We have 8 edges. We E8. So we have 8 edges. So that will be 2E will be 2 into 8, that will be 16. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore it verifies the handshaking property. Therefore the problem verifies the handshaking property. Handshaking property. Handshaking property. The letter word permutation be arranged so that all the vowels are together. So we have to arrange all the vowels together in the letter permutation. So how many vowels we have? E. What is vowel? Vowel is A, E, O. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Is called as vowels. So we have to see these letters are present in this word permutation. So we have E, then we have U, then we have A, then we have I, then we have O. So this all these letters we'll write it as 1. So it is E, U, A, I, O. We'll make it as one letter. Then the remaining ones we have, that is P, R, M, T, T, N, S. So when you arrange them, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have total 8 letters, and then repetition of T's. T's are repeated 2 times. Repeated 2 times. So it will be 2 factorial. Then it will be r factor 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. 2 and 2 get cancelled. P R M T T N S permutations. So we have 1. So it is it will get cancelled. We get multiplication of this. We have what we have is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. So we get here, when you multiply 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3, you get 20,160. So now we have to calculate this vowels separately. So here we get, we need to calculate that separately. That will be E U A I O. That is, how many letters are there in this word? It is 5 letters, and all 5 are different. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That all 5 are different means we should find a 5 factorial. That will be 120. So here it will be multiplication of 20160 into 120. So when you multiply into 120, we get 806400 ways. So we can arrange the letter permutation in 88 lakhs 6400 ways. The permutation can be arranged into different ways. Okay. Now moving with the next question we have. So here next is define the Euler graph and a Hamiltonian path. Euler graph is nothing but a graph which there exists a path that visit every degree exactly once. So it should every edge exactly once. It should go only one time. So here, from here, then we can go from here, then here, then here, then again to this, again to this. So this is all the path or all the edges are being visited only one time. Therefore it is called as Euler graph. Then what is an Hamiltonian path? It is a path in a graph. It is Hamiltonian path is a graph. In a graph is a path that visit each vertex exactly one time. So we will be going from 0 to 1, then 1 to 2, and 2 to 3. Exactly 1, then 3 to 1. We are moving to every vertex. So that is path is in which each vertex exactly one. Only vertex should be visited exactly one. When I take this, the last one, the vertex 1 will be visited 2 times. So it should not happen. So what will be your Hamilton path? It will be from 0 to 1, from 1 to 2, and from 2 to 3. So that will be your Hamiltonian path. So yeah, for Euler it is B to A, from A to C, then C to E, then E to D, and D to B. We are moving with the edges exactly one time. Then moving with the next question, show that the function f of x is 1 1 and on to. So f of x is 5x plus 2 is 1 1. How do we prove it is 1 1? Let x1 comma x2 belongs to R, that means f of x1 will be equal to f of x2. That is 5x plus 2 will be equal to 5x plus 2. So here x is 1 and here x is 2. Then 2 and 2 get cancelled. We have 5x1 will be equal to 5x2. 5 and 5 cancel. We get x1 equals x2. Therefore, f is 1, 1. F is 1 to 1. Then next one to prove on to let x belongs to R. X belongs to R. There exists y belongs to R such that f of x is equals to y. So now f of x is what? 5x plus 2 is equals to y. Now we have to convert the formula of y in terms of x. That will be 5x will be y minus 2. X will be y minus 2 divided by 5. Therefore, we have converted the formula of y in terms of x. It says that f is onto. F is onto. Then moving with the next question, we have verify the following graph as isomorphic to each other or not. So isomorphic conditions are there. So it should have the same number of vertex, same number of edges, same vertex degree sequence, and connecting between a vertex. There should be a connection between the vertex. So let me take it as G1 and G2. Let me take this as G1 and let me take this as G2. So now we will just find how many vertex we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have vertices is 4. So here how many we have? We'll take the second one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So here also we have vertices are 4. Then we will count with the edges. What are the total number? Same number of edges. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even here we have a edges are 5 here. Edges are 5, and here also we have edges are 5. Then we'll go with the degree. So what is the degree of this graph? It will be 2. Here it is 1, 2, 3. Here it is 1 and 2. Then here it is 1, 2, 3. So it is degree sequence. Sequence will be 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. So you can go for the next one. For this, we have 1, 2, 3, 3 degree. Here we have 2 degree. Here we have 1, 2, 3 degree, and here we have 2 degree. So it is your degree sequence will be 3, 2, 3, 2, where both the sequence are same. We have 3 twos and 2 threes. We have 2 twos 2 times and 3 2 times. Here also we have 3 2 times and 2 2 times. So it is a same for both. Okay. So and every vertex is connected. Every vertex has a connection. Therefore it is a isomorphic graph. Therefore the given graphs are isomorphic. Going with the next question here, the next question is verify whether it is a tautology or not. So we have P, Q. We'll go with the first one. P, Q. P implies Q. So this will first one. Then here we go for the second bracket. Negation P and Q. I'll call this as 1. I'll call this as 2. I'll write here 1 double implication 2. So first we should know how to write the heading for the tautology or for a compound proposition. So here first one T T F F, that it is T F T F. Implication is nothing but when it is T and F, it is F, otherwise it is T. Otherwise it is T. Now negation of this P will be negation F F T T. Now we have to find for negation P or Q. Negation P or Q. What is the condition for or? For implication it is T F, it is F. Otherwise it is true. For or it is F and F, it is F. Otherwise it is T. Then for double implication it is T and T it is T, F and F also it is T. Otherwise it is false. Okay. So yeah, for OR we have to find for negation P and OR. It is OR means F and F. It is F and F. Here we have F and F is F. Then otherwise it is T. Then we have to find in the for the last one we have to find for this with the second one here implication it is T and T it is T, F and F it is T. So it is T and T it is T, F and F it is F, T, T and T it is T, and T and T it is T. Hence it is a all the values are true. It is tautology. If all the values are true in the truth table, it is called as tautology. Then the next model question paper, I'm just doing the problems which are different from the other problems which I have solved in other papers. Okay. So here find the subset of the set A is 0, comma 2. So here to find the subset of the set, we have a formula that is 2 power n. N will be number of elements. That will be 2 power n means it is 2 power. Here we have 2 elements 1 and 2. So it will be 2 2s are 4. So we can get 4 subsets from the given set. So that will be A1 will be the set itself. A2 will be the single set 0 and A3 will be the single set 2. Then always for every subset there will be a empty set. That is empty set. A4 will be empty set. Then moving with the next question, define tautology and contradiction. Tautology, if all the values of the truth table is true, it is called tautology. If all the values of the truth table is false, it is called as contradiction. Then moving with the next question, we have here. Here is find the value of x and y. So we have it is an equal matrix because it is 2 by 2 and 2 by 2. The order is same for both the matrix. So we can compare the first element with first element. We get 3x is equals to 6. X will be 6 by 3. So x will be 2. Then we can compare the y, that is fourth element with the fourth one. We have 2y equals 10. So y will be 10 by 2. So y is equals to 5. If it is an equal matrix, we can find the solution by comparing the position of the elements in both the matrix. Then it is asked for find the 2a plus 3b for given matrix. So here it is 2a will be 2 into a is 4, 1, 1 and 2. So it will be 4 2s are 8, 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. We have to multiply it. Then we have to find for 3b. 3b will be 3 into b value. B is 1 4 2 1. So it will be 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So adding this 2 we get 2a plus 3b solution. We get here that is 8 2 2 4 plus 3 12 6 3. So add the elements what we have. That will be 8 plus 3, first one with first one, that will be 11. 2 plus 12 will be 24. 2 plus 6 will be 8. 4 plus 3 will be 7. So this is the answer for 2a plus 3. Moving with the next question we have here. Defined a permutation and combination. Permutation is nothing but the arrangement of items or arrangement of objects. Okay, arrangement of objects in some order. If you arrange some object in order, it is called as permutation. For example, arrangement of natural numbers. Natural numbers. So it is natural number is a permutation. Then combination is the selection of objects or items in which has no arrangement without any order. That is arrangement of stars in the galaxy. It is an combination where it is having no arrangements, but we can take the arrangement selection of the star which is present in the galaxy. Then next one we have is 9c5 plus 6c5. So yeah, we need to find 9 into 5 elements, which write 5 reverse numbers, 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 5 factorial, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Then plus here 6 5 elements, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 5 into this factorial, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Factorial is nothing but writing the number in reverse order till you get 1. So now if you cancel this, we get 5 and 5 get cancelled, 2 3s are 6 get cancelled, 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. Then this all get cancelled, we get only 6. So it is 9 into 2 into 7 plus 6. Certainly how much? 9 into it is 9 into 9 into 2 is 18, 18 into 7 plus 6. So it will be 18 into 7 will be 126 plus 6 will be 132. So here the answer is 130. So moving with the next question here. Define the regular graph and give an example. A regular graph is a graph where every vertex has the same number of edges connected to it. It should have the same number of edges. We'll just find it how many edges we have. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we consider A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So, okay. So A has how many edges? 4 edges. Then B has 1, 2, 3, 4. B is also having 4. Then C has 1, 2, 3, 4. C is also having 4. D has 1, 2, 3, 4. D is also having 4. Then E 1, 2, 3, 4. D E is also 4. Then F is 1, 2, 3, 4. F is also having 4. Then G is having 1, 2, 3, 4. G is also having 4. Then H 1, 2, 3, 4. H is also having 4. What it says? It says the same number of edges should be connected to it. So everyone is having same edge, that is 4. Therefore it is a regular graph. Then the last here, write the converse, inverse and contrapositive for the given condition. So what is the converse? First we'll write this statement into 2, that is P and Q. P will be U study mathematics. Q will be you apply logic. So yeah, we will convert this into, first one is converse. Converse will be P implies Q implies P. So Q implies P units if you, arrow mark indicates if then statement. So if you apply logic, then you study mathematics. Then second one is inverse. Inverse will be negation P implies negation Q. Negation means and not. So we have to use not for both the statement. If you do not study mathematics, then you do not apply logic. Then next one is contrapositive. Contrapositive is reverse of inverse. Negation Q implies negation P. Reverse this statement what you have written. If you do not apply logic, then you do not study, then do not study mathematics. Even you can write does not also. Not. Okay, does not. You can use in place of do, you can write does not. Because it is singular, you can write does in place of do. Okay. So hence we have completed the first part of model question paper. For the remaining important questions, we keep updated. Thank you for watching, students.